students, welcome to chemistry online class. In this session we will discuss the topic hydrogen bonding from the lesson hydrogen. Hydrogen bonding is the most important natural phenomena. Its meaning is incident. Hydrogen bonding, it occurs in both chemical and biological sciences. Hydrogen bonding plays a major role in the structure of proteins and DNA. Hydrogen bonding plays a major role in the structure of proteins and DNA. Let me move to the next topic. What are the conditions needed for hydrogen bonding? Condition number 1. Highly electronegative atom is bonded to the hydrogen atom. The bond is sufficiently polar. Highly electronegative atom is bonded to the hydrogen atom. The bond is sufficiently polar. Condition number 2. Small size atom is bonded to the hydrogen atom. The small size atom has the tendency to attract bonding electron pair. Small size atom is bonded to the hydrogen atom. The small size atom has the tendency to attract the bonding electron pair. Among the elements present in the periodic table, the small size and highly electronegative atoms are fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. So fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen has the tendency to form hydrogen bond with hydrogen. Now our next question is, what is hydrogen bond? How it is formed? Hydrogen atom is covalently bonded to a highly electronegative atom like fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. The bond is polarized. Hydrogen atom is covalently bonded to the highly electronegative atom. The bond is polarized. Example, H2O. In water molecule, oxygen is the more electronegative element. So, oxygen has the tendency to attract the shared pair of the electron towards itself. So, oxygen possesses the partial negative charge is represented by del minus. Comparing oxygen, hydrogen has the tendency to lose the electron is represented by partial positive charge, that is del plus. So, presence of partial positive and negative charges in the water molecule shows the bond is polarized. Due to the polarized effect, this polarized hydrogen has the tendency to form a weak electrostatic interaction. On the adjacent highly electronegative atom. The polarized hydrogen has the tendency to form a weak electrostatic interaction on the highly electronegative atom. This weak interaction is called hydrogen bond. The polarized hydrogen has the tendency to form a weak electrostatic interaction on the adjacent highly electronegative atom. The weak electrostatic interaction is called hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is represented by dotted lines. The energy associated with the hydrogen bond formation is 20 to 50 inverse. Generally, ionic bond is greater than the covalent bond. Covalent bond is greater than the hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is greater than the van der Waals interaction. The bond strength order is ionic bond greater than covalent bond, greater than hydrogen bond, greater than van der Waals interaction. The energy associated with the covalent bond is greater than 100 kilojoule mole inverse. Already we know the energy associated with the hydrogen bond is 20 to 50 kilojoule mole inverse. The energy associated with the van der Waals interaction is less than 20 kilojoule mole inverse. The current electronegativity order is fluorine is greater than oxygen, oxygen is greater than nitrogen, and then strength of hydrogen bond order is strength of hydrogen bond HF dot H is greater than HO dot H is greater than HN dot H. HF dot H is greater than HO dot H is greater than HN dot H is the correct bond strength of the hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bonding forms a considerable effect on the physical properties. Hydrogen bonding forms a considerable effect on the physical properties like surface tension, boiling point, fusion, heat of vaporization, density, viscosity, miscibility of liquids. Water and ethyl alcohol and vapor pressure. Water and hydrogen sulfide, etc. I am repeating, hydrogen bonding forms a considerable effect on the various physical properties like surface tension, boiling point, fusion, heat of vaporization, density, viscosity, miscibility of liquids and vapor pressure, etc. Our next topic is types of hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is classified into two types. First of all, hydrogen bonding, it forms in a single molecule. It is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The second type is hydrogen bonding is formed between two molecules. The molecules may be, that is, the two molecules may be same or different. Anyway, hydrogen bonding is formed between two molecules is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Let me discuss the first type, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bonding, it occurs in a single molecule. bonding occurs in a single molecule is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The examples are ortho, nitrophenol, salicylaldehyde and salicylic acid. First of all, ortho-nitrophenol. This dotted lines represents the hydrogen bonding. The second example is salicylaldehyde. Here, the hydrogen bond is formed between oxygen and hydrogen is represented by dotted lines. This dotted lines is the hydrogen bonding. The third example is salicylic acid. Here the hydrogen bond is formed between oxygen and hydrogen is represented by dotted lines. This dotted lines indicates the hydrogen bond. So, ortho-nitrophenol, salicylaldehyde and salicylic acid are the examples of intramolecular hydrogen bonding because hydrogen bonding formation takes place in a single molecule. We will meet in the next session. Thank you students. Thank you.